Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Code with the Italians. Today, it's just the two of us again, which means we're gonna do coding, a lot of coding, probably, hopefully, and it might work, it might not work. We don't really know.
Well, we don't really care, Sebastiano. That's the
Don't we?
attitude. The attitude is, that was more like a rhetorical kind of thing. But the idea is that we need to try to make this thing works. So we don't have much when it comes to screenshot testing for Compose or screenshot testing for Windows. And lately, we have been using Windows, so we can't use libraries like, Shot by Karumi. So eventually we decided, okay, let's give it a shot. Yeah, I know, I'm going to see myself out. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, sorry. That's the sleep deprivation part of being a father. But jokes aside, we are going to move forward on the attempt to be able to get a screenshot, compare it with a golden image, and try to come up with
Pray for the best. I think that's part of the process.
That's some sort of, I don't know if we can create a library out of it, or just a checklist or something. So
this is gonna be interesting because the common approach to screenshot testing, if you're not using Shot, is to put all your golden screenshots in the APK assets or in the resources, but generally in the assets, and then compare in the test APK, I mean. But that means that the test APK becomes humongous as soon as you have more than a few tests and more than a few reference devices, which is not great. So we are going to try doing it the other way around, which is last time we managed to capture the screenshot and save it, and we can see it with ADB. Now, the thing that we need to do is we need to be able to pull it and then, pull all the screenshots and compare all the screenshots. So what we were thinking about last time, and we're going to try and do today, I don't know if that's going to work, but we can try. We want to try and use a Gradle task that depends on the Android test tasks. So we'll run the integration tests, and then that task will pull everything from the tests folder with ADB, put it somewhere in the build outputs, whatever, and then compare the images locally. That should be faster, theoretically. But I have no fucking clue. So, and also I am not entirely sure how to handle the reference device kind of thing. But I think you can, deciding which device, which API version. I suspect that's going to be something you can get from ADB. I don't know, but anyway. Before we start, I wanted to thank our first Everything Pizza donor member on Coffee. As you might have noticed,
Yeah.
we have started about a week ago a coffee page where you can contribute to our stream. We are about 2/3 of the way to our first goal, which is to get 200 euros so we can hire a designer for the app. And yeah, you should really check out the coffee page. And yeah, thank you, Ivan, for the link. That's actually the list of our active supporters. That's not the coffee
Yes.
page.
Yeah. Coffee page is coming.
But as Ivan is just put in the chat, well, for you, put in the chat here, we have also just put up the list of supporters on our website, and we're gonna aim to keep it as much up to date as we can. We have also thought to include people that have made a one-off donation in that list, as long as it's 25 euros or higher. It doesn't need to be in one go. It can be like 5, 10, 10. That's fine. But as soon as you reach 25 euros over time, you will be listed there as well. Ivan, anything else?
Yeah. Well, I mean, the usual. We are going to run the live stream giveaway today. So you get your chance to get your pizza stickers. If you are a subscriber, you also, a Twitch subscriber or like a supporter of any kind, you also get the holo sticker. That is nice. As usual, I'm going to just drop the link in the chat. If you have an Amazon Prime subscription, you can connect it to your Twitch account, and you have the possibility to support one Twitch channel every month for free. You find basically a new subscribe button on the homepage of our channel, for instance, that says subscribe with Prime. We have like a very quick tutorial that shows a couple of screenshots just to give you an idea. So it's free for you if you have Amazon Prime, and we get like $1 something every month, and this covers for buying the stickers and shipping the stickers, because we are shipping the stickers for free to whoever wins them. And we are shipping them worldwide. So it's just like plain straightforward airmail. So it's not super expensive, but it has costs. So we appreciate every kind of support. We also have a shop. I mean, if you like the t-shirts and the mugs and other things with the Angry Pizza logo, you can buy something from our store. We also are running a discount until the end of the year, so just give it a look. And today we are also gonna raffle the IntelliJ IDEA license. I'm just gonna put one more time the whatever the steps that you have to do to participate. You just need to subscribe and add the comment below the video. Make sure that you are sharing your list of YouTube subscriptions, so we can find you as a subscriber.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it won't be possible for us to actually pinpoint you. And um, and this is it for the public announcement side of the world, I think. Yeah, and we already have a comment by Mark. Hello, Mark, and thank you for supporting us.
So yeah, what Mark is saying, one word of warning for attaching tasks to the Android test task. If you plan to use Gradle managed virtual devices, this will be torn down before your task runs, so they're tied to the Android test task, as far as I know. Yeah, that's probably something we're not gonna get to today. Because I don't think we're going to get that far to also use Gradle managed virtual devices. I think we're going to start with the assumption that there's an emulator running, and or a connected device. I don't know. It might be easier to use a physical device, but I managed to make the emulator work, so at least we have that. Um, Well, we'll see. We'll see. We can try. I mean, worst case scenario, we'll continue next Sunday. And shall we share the screen? Let's share the screen.
Yeah,
Hello.
let's go.
Yeah, so just before we started, I was actually updating Detect because there's a new version out, which is 1.19.0, which has finally added support for the ignore annotated configuration. So now you can say, yeah, don't flag things that that are like functions that are annotated with composable as having the wrong name. So now you can actually re-enable function naming, and you can not get killed by the number of issues that it picks up. So
Fair enough.
I was running it. I'm still clearly doing it wrong because it's still flagging
Uh,
all that stuff. But
Sebastiano, would you mind to share the screen because I can't see your screen at the
oh,
moment?
because it disconnected earlier, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's not my fault.
No, no, no. It's as
Yep, you
as
are right.
people following the stream, I experience one Skype crash at the beginning of every stream, so we have a bit of a restart and resharing to do every time. Yeah. At some
Okay.
point, Sebastiano gets very quiet, and then I realized that Skype died when I was on the other screen typing episode notes. So yeah. Uh,
So
Mark,
you got a working naming, function naming, ignore annotated. Oh, composable. Oh yeah, it's probably just like this, which would make sense because it looks more like an actual array in YAML. God, how much I hate YAML.
I mean, who doesn't, right? Ciao, Aurelio. Welcome.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Okay.
Congratulations, Aurelio, for his first week at the new job. Congratulations, Aurelio. Very proud of you.
Lint is complaining about something, but Lint always complains about something, so that's fine.
It's
Question mark.
complaining
Like,
since
it's really hard to understand what is going wrong.
2005. Uh,
It seems to work
refre-
without the single quotes mark, so that's fine. It's just lint analyze releases failed. A failure occurred while executing Android lint work action.
no error message because you have to earn it.
Yeah, I think the problem might be with the fact we're using um, Chipmunk,
Okay.
so that might be the reason. Because I think Chipmunk does some weird shit, like injects stuff, well, Android Studio in general. So let's try with Gradle U static analysis from the command line and see if that works. We're also using an older version of Gradle. Probably can update to 7.3.
What was this? There was like a 3.1, I think.
Even a 3.1. Ooh, fancy.
Botta de vita. It's a like a it's a yeah. I don't know
So,
how to translate it.
living large. Yeah, so it works from the
Living
command line.
large, living large. Wow, yes,
It
Sebastian, you're such a
works
knowledgeable
from the
person.
command line. It fails badly. What?
Must be locked before it can be
Okay.
used.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me
Kill,
think.
kill,
Uh
Cradle. Kill them.
no, I just want to see if
Change.
I can use the same runtime I'm using for the IDE, because otherwise it might get out of sync. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Look at me downloading Gradle live.
Live. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Uh, so, are you excited for next episode, Sebastian?
Obviously.
Actually,
Put the
let
link. Put
me
the link. Put the
yeah,
link.
let me get the. I'm gonna get the link for the questions.
Yeah.
So let me give you this. So next week we are next Wednesday we are having Jake and Leland, and we
Lol.
are gathering. Yeah, we are gathering questions, and we're using Slido for the first time for this. And the nice thing about Slido is that you can upvote the questions, so eventually you can ramp up the ranking, and your question gets popular. It can be asked earlier during the stream. So give it a shot if you have something cool or something interesting that you want to ask about compose internals, and whatever weird thing that you think Leland and Jake are able to answer. Just dig it. Super
Okay.
Mario. Yeah, Sebastiano, Super Mario loading bar instead of the Nyan Cat. I don't
But
know. I
I
mean, it's
like
a
the
very
Nyan
personal
Cat.
thing. Yeah, I like the Nyan Cat
It
as
has
well.
more
I had a
colors. There's also the Pokemon one, I think. But
yeah. There is a bunch of them, and I'm pretty sure that it's straightforward to build a new one because they are based on the first initial
yeah, it's the
open
Nyan
source
Cat.
plugin.
The Nyan Cat is the
And
OG one. Everything else is just
the
a reskin of that one.
but it will be interesting. It could be a nice project to have the pizza one instead of the Nyan Cat. We can do the code with Italian loading bar
Does it also
with
comes with the screaming? It's like ah!
I don't know if I mean, you can definitely run sounds, play
Yeah, yeah,
sounds
you
when the
can.
thing is building.
I'm not sure it's
But
a
I
good
was
idea, but you can.
I don't think I'm pretty sure that it's gonna get to you at a few hours of work, like kind of
Few minutes.
you know yeah, probably 2 minutes. um I remember there was one plugin about Super Mario that it was playing sounds every now and then, like the Super
Yes,
Mario
Mario
coin
driven
thing.
development. That was
Oh
terrible.
man, it was so bad. It was like, oh, this is so cool. You install the thing, you run the first build. It was driving me crazy after 30 seconds. I was like, nope. One of those things that you think they are cool until you actually try them, and they're like, wow, this is so horrible. I mean, I loved the idea. My brain didn't love the implementation. That that kind of feeling, right? Um, Thank you, Slock or Slock, for the following. Mark, I was getting error on Gradle Sync when I initiated Android Canary. Command line worked. Roll back to Canary 4.
Yeah, but Gradle 7.2 works fine, and I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Because the problem is we're using AGP stable. If we use
Uh-huh.
the newer ones, we need to rewrite half of the Gradle script, and I'm not really in the mood
Fair
for
enough.
that.
Fair enough.
There's only
Fair
that many
enough.
fucks I can give about that today. There's gonna be a time
Mhm.
where we're gonna have to do it, but that day is not today. So
Fair enough.
sorry, but
Baby steps. Baby
yes,
steps.
baby steps. Okay.
Okay.
So I've reverted the Gradle upgrade. That's fine. I think this is still gonna fail because Lint doesn't really want to play nice with the newer studio version. I don't know. But on the other hand, Bumblebee doesn't start up today for reasons I don't know. So Chipmunk it is.
Fair enough.
It's
Fair
like
enough. Did you
the
update anything or something?
no, but it's like the ace of spades. You win some, you lose some. It's all the same to me.
Ah, okay, I see. Well, actually, I have been using Artifox, and because that's my extent of tolerance about
I
instability.
cannot bring
Because I
myself to use a 1 year old and IntelliJ version. It's just
Yeah, but that's the thing. It's the only thing that annoys me very, very, very much, that I have a lot of muscle memory built on IntelliJ, and then I try to do the same thing on when I do Compose for Android, and just like, why is this thing not here? Like, why the menu is not here? I'm pretty sure that there is something, and then I realize, oh yeah, this is not IntelliJ. So, but the Canary thing, it's super weird. Every now and then it just doesn't work. It feels too brittle to me. So yeah, there is that.
that's all right.
I'm good.
I think it's
Oh,
okay.
Mike, that's a lovely, lovely Christmas tree.
What? Where?
So for those of you that don't have context about this, because how could you? We also have a Telegram group, and Mike just posted a picture of his kids
That's a
and
nice
the
picture.
Christmas day. That's very, very nice. So if you want some clicky tinky to reach the Telegram stream, the Telegram group, here you go. So
Yeah,
where are
this
we?
is it's
What's
lint,
going
it's
on here?
failing. I don't care. It's fine. It works from the command line, so it's just Android Studio.
Okay,
Again,
let's do it.
not enough fucks given about that. That's
Yeah,
just
also
how it
also
is.
nice.
Let's try and run the unit test, well, the UI tests on the emulator. Let's see if it works. That would be nice. If it doesn't work, I'll just wrap up the stream and go to bed. Probably cry. I
Yeah,
don't know.
no, don't. No, we can always do something else.
Oh yeah, sure, but it's not
Um,
about
I mean,
being
you
able to
have
do
a
something
you have
else.
a you have a gaming PC, right? What are you
Yeah,
playing
I,
this
I mean,
time?
I can stream. I think I only have Red Dead Redemption installed, probably.
Well, that's actually great. I played it so much. I loved the
Played very
I
little.
but I no, I played it. When you realize that you need to just slow down a bit and
Go
probably,
murder some
I don't know,
people.
like, no. I played Red Dead Redemption 2 the way my grandpa would play it. Like just riding the horse, fishing, hunting. Just riding the horse. And I remember the same thing happened with The Witcher 3, right? Because that's also another gigantic map, and I was just riding the horse, right? Through the thing, and no, there is like some monster coming in, and I slay the monster, and then I just keep riding the horse to the next, and then you realize, do you want to fast travel? No, I don't want to fast travel. Just leave me alone. And you're just riding the horse. I'm playing it wrong probably, but that's yeah.
The wholesome
So
way.
yeah, the chilled way.
What the fuck is
Um,
this?
Android tests.
Android X test
Awesome.
services. What the fuck is this? I don't know. I don't know. Ooh,
So
look,
the app
look, it
runs.
blurs. The emulator blurs. I don't have a Pixel 6, so this is new to me. Sorry. Okay, that's
So
why you
where are
have
we?
a 3080 Ti, just to have the blur, right? Look at that, 60 frames per
Yeah, that's
second blur.
yeah. Ray tracing on the emulator. Um, so this is like the emulator is running on Unreal Engine.
Would not
Sebastian, so
surprise
where are
me.
we?
We are at the stage where require.set. Okay, this wants something else, but I'm not going to do it now. So the stage we are is that the tests do run, and they pass. Well, the one test, because we only have one right now. And we have to check. I've already forgotten where shit gets stored. I honestly don't remember. Maybe it was one of the things that I should have read, but I didn't read. I don't know. Pictures, no. Oh wait, last time we did the ADB thingy thing. Let me run this again. I want to see if I get that notification again. Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Thank you for the cheer. I still don't know what this is, but sure.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the same.
Why the thing is jumping? Are you jumping? Why the thing is jumping?
No, it's just it wants you to open the drawer once and then it's happy and it shuts the fuck up.
It's the onboarding. Okay.
Yeah, it's the onboarding. God fucking damn it. Where was the
ADB thing? It was we found it on
it wasn't this one, but yeah.
On the it was on GitHub. There was like a where is it?
I think it was there it is.
Yeah, it's
this
here.
One.
Okay.
So I need
it would be nice to actually put it down in a README or something.
Yeah. Well, let's see if this is actually what makes any difference. Because fucking fuck. No.
Thank you,
Bertiwi. Command DB does not because I need d.exe. Okay.
Fancy.
Okay.
This is like
let's try this again.
Extensions.
Yeah. Windows.
Were you able to just turn on your MacBook?
What? When? What?
Did you get the MacBook, right?
I got the. Do you mean the new one? Yeah, the
new one. Okay. Is it fast? Did you benchmark something already?
No. Hey, dude, one thing at a time. At some point, I'll get there.
No. This is. I think it's part of the zero fucks given, leave me alone mindset. I like it.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So there's one thing I want to do, which is tell it to shut the fuck up. Thank you. I don't want to hear notification sounds. It's very annoying. Yeah. So it looks like they all passed.
You made also the ignored one.
Yeah. Let's see whether this has done something. Synchronize. SD card. Google test. There it is. Yeah. So you need to do that shit. You need to do that shit.
But I remember a few days ago I sent it on Telegram. I can't remember if I sent it on the group or I sent it to you. But there was a new project where you will be able to run ADB commands without depending on ADB.
Yep. Well, yeah, I remember you sending it, but I had seen it already, and the problem with that one is that it only works if you're using ADB over TCP, which means that it doesn't work with devices, which makes it iPhone. It makes it sort of useless. Are you okay, phone? Probably. I mean, you were broken to begin with. It's fine. I mean, there's a sizable gap between the screen and the body. That's because I am not very good at doing repairs, but it works, so it's fine.
So like there is like a tolerance, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what? It's a pain in the ass to put a pick in between the body and the screen, so this makes it like subsequent repairs much easier.
Well, I'm pretty sure that you lost the IPS6
Oh, this is a
water
Pixel 3a. I
resistance.
didn't have it to begin with. But yeah, I think
Okay,
this
okay.
has just now gone from a drop of water might be fine to a drop of water won't be fine.
Okay. So Mark has a question in the chat.
Uh, so the thing that I said to use the same JDK as used to run the IDE. How do you know which one is used in the IDE? Well, generally it's the embedded one, and it should always be the embedded one. The only reason why I'm not using the embedded one is that because the embedded one doesn't support emoji on Windows. And there's we talked about this a few weeks ago, I think. And yeah, there's like a preview build of the JDK that you can use that does support emoji on Windows. Uh, do I recommend doing that? No. Can you do that? Yes. If you do that, there's like an issue on the JetBrains issue tracker. If you look for emoji support Windows, you're probably going to find it, and it's in the comments, and you can download it, and then you go to the IDE and you do boot, choose boot run Java runtime for the IDE, and then yeah, you should know that changing the runtime might cause unexpected problems. Do not change it unless you were specifically asked to do so by Google support. I am not Google support. I am not asking you to do it. I'm telling you not to do it. But if you want, you can. Was that enough of a
And
caveat?
I did it, and I love the emoji, so I'm a happy kid.
If I use embedded, I get loads of errors in my KTS scripts. That is not the JBR, I think. Although it might be, no, it's not related. The problem you get issues in KTS scripts is because you are using the Kotlin 1.6 plugin, and Gradle is stuck at 1.5. So that's why you get everything is red mood. Like, I'm not sure why it's not erroring out now, but it is. Oh, maybe because I
Usually.
haven't updated the Kotlin plugin. I don't know. I don't remember. But yeah, the idea is that generally when you have problems in build Gradle stuff, if it's Kotlin script, it's because of that. Because the ID gets a bit confused because you end up having both Kotlin 1.5 and 1.6 on the class path, and that is not ideal. As to how to fix it, you wait for Gradle to catch up, and then you start
That's
using
something.
1.6. I
Oh,
wouldn't.
that's
If you're
unfortunate.
using Gradle script, I would not recommend using 1.6 yet. I don't know when they're gonna update to 1.4 though, so your mileage might vary. But worst case scenario, just get like red squiggles, but it works. It's fine. It's just the ID getting a bit confused.
Yeah.
So we have the image, and I actually wanted to circle back to the point where we were saying that there is the we need to run the ADB command thingy.
Yeah.
And yeah, I don't think we can use that ADB
Library.
dependency,
Okay.
unfortunately. Also, it wasn't a plugin, it was just an ADB dependency. But
I
what
can't
you
remember what was the
can do,
implementation.
what you can do is you can create a task. So you can do with type Android test, probably. Imports, yeah, Android Studio doesn't do imports. Also, this is probably wrong. So which other one? Android test
Okay.
task. There you go. This one,
Task.
probably.
Still very, very ugly.
I'm not sure
Upper bound.
what.
Okay.
Verification task is not a task. Okay. Uh, That's fun. 100 lint. No, I don't want to do that. I don't
But did
remember what is
we
the
created something?
type.
We created something. I think we looked at this already. The Android task test task something.
No, that was the lint
it's
one.
not. No, it's a lint one. Okay,
Yeah, that's a
sorry.
different one. But as Atul is saying that ADB commands can be run in instrumentation tests, I did not know that. And
Okay.
so let's figure out how to do that.
Okay. It's internal. Okay. Alt enter, I guess.
No, but this is fine. It's running fine.
Okay, so it's just a glitch.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. I don't mind. It's fine.
Yeah,
Thank
let's
you,
try to
Atul.
understand how to run.
Like if I run it again, it does run.
understand.
So
No. I understand how to run IDB, not the test.
right, yeah.
Because we saw them failing, right? So these are legit.
Why do I still have the notification audio if I set it to not notify?
Set it to vibration. I want to see your screen.
From my desk vibrate?
Yeah. Like,
dude, can you imagine? Can you
like,
imagine if the emulator had the haptics integrated as just shaking it?
Brrr. It will be nice actually. It will be
I don't know. Would it
very
though?
clever. It will be very clever for the first 3 seconds, and then you're gonna just
And then incredibly annoying. Yes.
Yeah. Well, but there will be one of those things like, oh, this is so cool to turn it off, right?
Yeah. Let's see
How
if
can we do
there's.
this?
I don't know. Atul is searching for the page, but while he's searching for it, I will YOLO it somehow. Try and see if I can figure it out. In the meantime, so activity rule, it doesn't look like it. Main clock, I do not need that. I don't need density. Register ID resource, we don't need that yet. On all nodes, on node with text. No, not sure how you
Maybe
do
it's
that.
not on the test rule. I mean, there is something.
It might be. I just don't know how.
Let's try to figure it out. Run ADB.
From UI
Automator. Okay.
Yeah, but this is not what we're using. We're not using UI
well, but
Automator.
do we have a question or like an answer of some sort? Nope. There is a 2021 answer. Oh, here you go. You got your.
Aha.
You got your link.
Thank you very much.
How to automate this process.
Okay, so this is a rule that does stuff. So you have.
Okay, so.
Oh, this.
Disable
Okay.
animation. Whoa. Oh, that's intense.
Yeah, but too bad it doesn't work with Compose.
Well, no, the animation one, yes, but the one that the idea.
Yeah, the idea is cool.
To make it work for us, it should work.
So this is.
Let me grab this and we put it in the episode notes.
Set up test storage rule, or prepare maybe instead of setup. Okay, and this just needs to be a class that implements that. Okay, class that implements test rule. Not iTest rule, just test rule. Perfect. Implement members, apply, yes. Instrumentation registry, yes.
What do we need? Add library. Okay.
What library does it
What do
want
you
to add?
what do you get if you do enter?
I am afraid to find out. Probably
Come on,
nothing
Git
as
is your
well,
friend.
because the this is not gonna work with the.
Oh wow.
You
UI
need to use
Automator. Okay.
UI Automator, but this is not gonna work because I mean it's gonna just dump it here probably. Yeah. So we still have to add this to the toml. Might as well do both at this point.
Mm-hmm.
So okay. So let's go to the toml. And let's
While you
add.
go to the toml,
Yes.
I'm just gonna set up the giveaway so people can start participating it.
Is it the same one? Yes. Okay.
Here you go. So for the next few minutes, you can type bruschetta in the chat. The bot is gonna identify you, and you can join the giveaway. The giveaway for today is every time that we do the live giveaway, except for when we do it differently. It's, it's because I
When
forgot
we
how to run the
forget.
YouTube one. Yeah, it's just that we run the. You can get the stickers. You can get the if you're a subscriber, you get the fancy one, the hollow one. If you're any kind of follower, you get the angry pizza one. So good luck.
Okay. I am going to create a bundle.
Okay.
Which we're gonna call test
UI
util.
testing.
Or maybe even Android X test util. And that's gonna contain the two things that we are adding. So test services, and the other one is orchestrator. Okie doke. So I've already forgotten the names. That's fine.
I'm also looking at what I have here, and I can tell.
Are you looking at treats or?
I mean, yeah, basically, yes. It depends, or probably how your mental age is. But the idea, hey,
0.
what's going on, Sash? Yeah. So I also have other stickers there. Hey, che succede? Che succede? Che succede? Vuoi uscire?
He's asking, what's up? What's up? You want to go out?
Yeah, it's vuoi andare di là?
I think Spike is getting fed up with my bullshit at this point.
No, I don't know. I mean, he's just a bit nervous lately. Crying baby. Because I mean, imagine how loud has to be for him. If it's like it's super loud for me.
Yeah.
Because nature, right? For him, it's gonna be like crazy loud. So other stickers that I'm gonna send you if you win the giveaway, I have this one. I have.
Yeah, you're the master of stickers.
This one. We have JetBrains supporting it. This is also very nice. The Android one. These are so cool.
I think I got that one from Google. I think.
Maybe.
Or is it? I'm not sure. I don't remember.
This is like the space icon.
It's so space.
Cool. Love it. It's like a shield. I love it.
Yes. It's also funny enough, the office, the JetBrains office in St. Petersburg, if you look at it from Google Maps, it has 2 towers, like it's 2 twin towers. If I say it like that, it sounds bad. There's 2 identical towers, and the shape of the towers from the top is the same as the logo of space. I don't know if it's a coincidence, but
I
that's
don't
just
think so.
how it is.
Russians.
I mean, that
I
office
don't
is
think
also
so.
called Space, just to add to the confusion. So,
Yeah. I bet. Uh,
da,
Thank you.
da, da.
You're very generous. Letting somebody else win.
Yeah, Afzal, just please let someone else
No,
have some good
please
stuff.
don't. So how do we use this thing? So you instantiate that whatever moha wah wah wah, and then you do execute, and then you drop the whole ADB shell. But I
I
don't.
am looking
I
at
think there is no.
this.
I think there is no. Do you need to put ADB? Because they are only using settings. Looks like they are ready in the
Yeah,
shell.
probably just need to do this. Yeah,
Okay.
pops, blah, 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 blah. And I
Why is complaining?
think, because I'm doing bullshit. I can do this, and I don't care. And this is fine. And I don't need you anymore. And I'm not your real father anyway.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Isn't that Sander? Right?
Think this might work. Let's try.
Okay.
Let's see.
Go for it. So can you
Not
do? Can you
much of a
do
way to
print
test it,
something?
but
Can you do something printing something?
yes, I would also do that. Get rule, and this is gonna be ADB rule. Maybe I'll call it test storage.
I mean,
Storage.
if it works, it's super cool. I mean, I didn't know that you can run ADB commands from an instrumentation test.
Yeah.
That's actually cool.
I mean, you can technically also do what they were doing, which is just run this in a try catch.
From just to
like
be safe
this,
point of
and
view.
then undo this. Like
I mean, okay.
like this.
Yeah, well, well, you can build a nice DSL with this stuff, like like a resource use kind of thing.
Sure.
That's it could be nice. Why do I keep thinking about this shit? Then I have to build, otherwise I don't sleep. Fuck me. I hate myself so much for this.
Oh, dude.
This is the worst. This is what the worst. The worst mindset.
All right, you wanted me to have it print something.
Well, I mean, we can check if there is something that we can check, but I don't know if we can check.
So I'll just clean this up a bit because there's no point in getting that twice. And also I can do UI advice.
Well, actually, that's a good question. What if we use this same
I think you can, and that's what I'm also trying to go for. But I need to remember. Does anyone remember how to add something to logcat from the command line? Can you even do that?
Whoa! Can you even do that? you say like you can definitely do it, but I don't remember. And then I was like, man, can you do that? And then you were like, can you even do that? Fuck. How can you
boom
log? Wow, that was
YOLO.
Easy. Yeah, it's a lot of quotes.
This is cooler, obviously.
This is gonna be on brand. Nice to.
Okay, I need to rerun the tests once they complete.
Yeah.
But do we have any idea what will compare the images after they are being pulled from the device? Mark.
FFmpeg. I don't know. Mark.
No, so no, I was also reading Mark's message right after that it was about to suggest cooler. I think so.
Mark wrote something, right?
Yeah.
Did we have something from Mark?
There's two ways to do this. One is to roll your own thingy thing, which I mean it's doable, but why. I'm sure someone else solved this problem already. And also the other way.
I stole some code from Jose. That's
Yeah,
perfect.
exactly. Jose solved that. So
Okay.
uh,
What's an empty
empty. Oh yeah,
command? Why
because
is
I
not
I
there?
had run this without an actual command in there yet. So I had
The
pasted
what
it
now?
after I
Ah, the
run it.
second one was
Yeah,
empty. Okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So did it mean no log output
Yeah,
for
that's
this?
fine. I should see cooler. Yeah,
Oh, here you go. It works. That's actually cool. It's
yeah,
very cool.
that's cool.
Okay, so I think you can also pull the image then.
Yeah. So I am just going to rename this to
Yeah.
test storage, and I'm gonna say run
Setting,
enabling
yeah, enabling
test
whatever.
storage permissions, and then I'm gonna do the same for disabling. Okay.
Yeah, it was good. But did it run the second one? Ah, no, because
Well, it
you
wasn't.
weren't logging.
Yeah,
Okay.
I wasn't
Okay.
logging, but now we can run it again and see. Also notice that this only does it at the once, like once at the beginning and once at the end. I don't think it runs it for every one of them.
Forever.
It doesn't look like it.
Can you check
Test
local?
services keeps stopping. That's not good.
Okay. Fair enough.
But let's see.
It didn't run. Oh no, it ran. But
Yeah,
it
but
also crashed.
something fucked up.
Empty
Yeah,
command.
yeah.
Can you clean
It's the
up and run it
same.
again?
Yeah, it's the
This,
same thing as before.
You are too fast, my friend.
Let's see. So it runs one,
That looks legit.
runs one. No, wait.
Hell.
Logcat, enabling,
Okay, that's good.
disabling.
What if you run it on multiple tests? Is it gonna run for every test or for like one class? It should be printing multiple things, right? If you run it for every test.
Yeah, the thing is, this is theoretically running all of them.
Oh shit!
Uh,
Okay,
there's
something
just one has passed. The other ones are not there.
dying. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Each rule runs for all tests, don't they? I think they do, but that's why I'm saying I'm confused. Maybe
Can you remove this thing? Yeah.
Let's try and run it now. It might be that it gets stuck on the second one.
Yeah. Well, let's see. Okay.
Yeah, that was that.
Okay.
That was that.
Okay. Okay.
So we don't.
Well, I mean, we can create like a last after Gradle task or something that when you ran the whole suite, you just clean up. Well, I mean, you are even probably killing the emulator. I don't know. I don't know. Well, add the to do. We can look into it.
Yeah, it's fine. I think the first thing to do here would be to clear the test storage folder before we start. So
Yeah.
like clear
I don't know
this
if
one.
you can do because the orchestrator can do this kind of stuff, clean up after yourself. I think you can set the orchestrator in Gradle, the build, like the default options. There is something to tell the orchestrator to clean up after tests.
If you want to look for it while I try to do it manually.
Yeah.
I can do take screenshot. Wait, wake up. That's fine. Yeah, I think this is... Well, you can do a lot of things. That's nice. But what I
Something
wanted
like
to
this.
do was to, for now, just do cleaning up previous test results. And this would be RM minus RF. What could possibly go wrong? SD card, Google test underscore output files. Well, maybe I don't need to
But this
do
is gonna
this.
run for every test, so it's gonna just take the screenshot, clean up the folder. Take the screenshot, clean up
You're
the
right.
folder. That's the idea.
Yeah. Is there a way to? Well, I guess you need the base class.
Try the one that I linked, because maybe the orchestrator can do it by itself, for you. There is a clear package data.
Yeah, but
I
that
don't know if
clears
it's
the application's data, which is not what I care about.
okay. Okay.
Uh,
Well, that's not what we want then.
Nope. I don't think this is what we need.
But can we run one single cleanup command after all the
Yep.
instrumentation tests? Like, do we have like a after all or whatever?
Yeah, I need the after. Is it just after?
Mm-hmm.
No.
But this is like just class based, right? It's not for the whole suite.
Yeah, this runs like after every test, which is not what we want.
Yeah. Really.
After class. Okay, because I was thinking in terms of JUnit 5, it was after all. That makes a lot more sense.
Yeah.
But and nope, that's not Java code.
But do you want to convert it to Kotlin no matter what?
I mean, I am actually curious now what happens.
If you try to convert an HTTP URL to Kotlin.
Yeah.
Gonna just build a Ktor to serve it.
Okay, and let's paste this one in here. And then I think we can delete everything .png just to be sure.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we can even log the files we're removing.
Enumerating them? Can you do like a -v?
Yeah, probably.
Fair enough.
Probably works. Let's see.
This is like guess driven development.
Yeah.
Pretty sure there is gonna be like a -v, and now you are gonna see the version of RM because
The only thing I was thinking is that maybe this makes more sense to be a before class, so you get the files left over at the end of it. I don't know.
Instead of losing.
Yeah, and in the after class you do the pulling
before.
and you do the comparing.
Yeah.
Even though
before
probably you want to do the comparing inside each test. So you would have like an after instead of after class. I don't know. But you still maybe want to get the files left there. Yeah, this is not...
Let's try to keep it simple. Let's do the before. Clean up everything when you start, and whatever left is left in the
not
folder.
Doing anything
running
now.
anymore.
Yeah. Is it because of this?
Okay.
Not sure. Okay.
Try to do before.
Well, I just commented it out for now.
Okay. Is it?
Because here I've only
Right.
taken stuff out, right?
Yeah. Okay. So this is running. Clicky, clicky.
So the after class thing, not worky.
It's glitchy.
Yeah, well,
Try
it froze
before.
the tests for whatever reason.
Okay.
No, I wanted to check. I just wanted to see if there was like cleaning. No, it never ran that. How does that not? I don't know. I don't even care. So let's try again with after class and see if it makes any difference.
Pretty stuck.
Yep, it gets stuck. That's weird.
But but is it printing something at least?
I will stop at some point opening the terminal. I just need to move logcat there.
Can you test for
I mean,
search for
I'm
cleaning?
searching for cleaning. There is
It's
nothing.
you already okay. No, sorry,
So
I was looking at the other filter. So this alpha class is not working. Can we do a before instead of a before?
does this get any better?
No,
It does not.
And also not printing shit. What's this?
Invalid
Error
test
constructing
class. Oh, it's because this needs to be static.
Sebastiano. Can it be private?
I don't know. Should be public. No, it
Method should be public. Well, at least we had logs. Okay. Try again. You didn't run it.
Yeah, I did.
Again. No. It was already, I think you were already changing, or I didn't see the...
No, I ran it afterwards, but I'll do it again. I just realized that presentation assistant is not there.
Is it? Oh yeah, maybe you're constantly installing new stuff from scratch every time.
I'm constantly jumping in between 5 different IDEs, so I'm losing track of which one has which plugins.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the Nyan is still pending.
No, it's fine. Cleaning up.
Are you sure? Okay.
There's 2 cleaning up.
Yeah, because okay.
This one, no, it's done.
Status.
It's done.
It's completed. Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, that's.
I don't know. Like it's
super confusing.
I'm not sure why it doesn't go away. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. Completely got me there.
Let's try.
Okay, but this is good.
I did not mean to do this, but sure.
Let's try to see what we have in the folder. Okay, so
I am just waiting for it to finish.
Yeah. But okay, so no, we have stuff in the folder, and this is expected, right?
Yep. So what I can also do. Wait, does the RM thing print shit? So if I go to where the cleaning is, it does not look like it. It does not look like it.
Can you search for the name of the JPEG file, the PNG file that we have it there?
I mean, I can search for PNG.
Here you go. Wait.
No, but this is file content provider. That's not relevant. No, well, whatever, it doesn't matter. I don't care.
Are you
It's
sure?
fine.
It's not working. I mean, maybe the RM on the Android device is not that fancy.
Yeah, probably. I mean, easy enough.
Nope.
Uh,
Verbose.
eh.
So why do you?
So if I run this, is it might it might just be printing to the wrong.
Standard
Yeah,
thingy. Okay,
yeah, it
so
does. So I think the problem is just that
but
it's printing to the wrong one. I don't care. It's fine.
can you redirect this to logcat?
No.
Yeah, with a pipe.
But do you
Kind
know
of
which
like
stream it is? This is not.
no, I mean taking the output of the RM and literally feeding into another log command.
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah, something like this, right?
Let's try. Yeah, maybe without this one. I don't think I need these, by the way. At least not in the first one. But also it's weird that there's quotes in places where they shouldn't be. But
Try again.
okay.
Running.
Let's see. Test.
PNG.
No, it's not.
Nope. No, try to put the cleaning up previous test result. Well, I don't know if you need something else instead of the pipe. But anyway, I can look it up on the
Yeah,
side.
you check
Yeah.
that, and I will check. I will clean up these ones we don't need. So I can make this one info, and I can make this one info. Okay. That one is fine. Yeah, I guess I can try and write it to a file.
I think you can do something like the output of one as an input on the next one. But probably you need a parameter of some sort. Maybe $1. I can't Linux anymore, damn it.
What is Linux?
Yeah, it's the next year thing, big thing. Desktop.
Ah, looking forward to that.
Yeah. Oh, you're so bad. So how do you do it?
Oh, nice typo. Yeah, but it doesn't look like it is actually. No, it's not doing that. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, well, we can try some other time.
Yeah, I mean the thing is, I can just put a breakpoint here, debug, and make sure that it has deleted the file.
Fair enough.
For now, it's good enough. And then if you figure out a better way to do it, then even better.
Yeah.
So synchronize. I think synchronize is probably broken at this point. I don't know. Let me close it and reopen. I'm not sure this is helping. I mean, this file is brand new, so it's
Okay,
fine.
can you rename it to understand if we don't see it anymore?
No.
No, you can't. Right? Damn it.
But
Can you
I
do it
can
from
do it.
ADB?
Yeah, I can do it from here. Duh, duh, duh. Move this, and it's gonna be cooler, obviously.
Yep.
It must be cool, otherwise. Thank you for the
Oh,
follow.
nice. Thanks.
Uh,
Whoops.
but it doesn't
Whoops.
exist. Yeah, I think this one is fucked. This boy be fucked. Cool test. Output files. Yeah, I think it's just the device file explorer. It's kind of buggy. But I can do ls and see if there's anything in that folder. I mean, the file is there.
You can't navigate
It's the
to
wrong. I copied the
that.
wrong one. My bad. It's this file name here. Okay, that worked. So let's run this again. Okay, no, it's working.
Here you go. Okay,
It's fine.
I think that you need just to add a dash at the end of the pipe comment if you want to try.
What? You mean here?
Yeah, I mean you are so you have to do pipe.
Yep, like this.
This one, yes, and then you need to add space dash at the end. This should be feeding the output from RM to the next one, hopefully.
Okay.
Or, I mean, yeah.
Let's see. Nope.
Nope. Okay. Well, I mean, I can check. I mean, yeah, I just need to try out.
I don't know if it's because... No, it should be fine. Because it's test
But
storage.
No, because dash should act as put the input here. Something like something like this.
No, but it's not.
So you take the output of the next one and you feed it in the next one.
So there's a problem.
But now I wonder,
because this is being run every time. So before class means shit, which is problematic.
Okay. So do we want to try after class?
I think the problem is that it's not really respected.
That's nice. Nice to know. I mean, that's a good way to work, right?
Yeah. Because I think the problem is that it's killing and restarting the whole thing for every single test in the class.
Yeah.
So before class doesn't mean shit because it's just running one at a time.
I see what you mean. So it's not. So we need to do it with a Gradle task.
Probably.
Like running a Gradle task after the instrumentation tasks.
Yeah, probably. For now, we're not cleaning up after ourselves. That's
okay.
Just as
That's
it
fair.
is. That's just how it is.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can figure out a way to get the file, though, because I think I seem to remember that Mark's code had that stuff. The downloading.
Oh yeah, Mark is also suggesting that before and after they are not working with Android Test Runner. So
yeah,
there's that. Ciao.
Yep. So this is saving the screenshot. Sorry, let me zoom in a bit. Saving the screenshot, and then it's getting the golden image. but it's getting it from the assets, which is what we don't really want to do. Like, we don't want to save locally, we want to pull. So let me check. Android test pull file. Not too much. ADB pull file?
What do you mean pull? I mean, it's just pull in the path.
Yes, but I wanted to see if there's like a built-in way to do that instead of having to run ADB commands.
From a okay. Sorry. So because I was a bit
like with the orchestrator or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, bullshit. Nope. Okay, we'll try and figure out the orchestrator APIs and see if there's anything that helps us. I would be surprised if there's no way to pull or push a file, but I would also not be too surprised if there's no way to do that. If you catch my drift. Let's say so.
We can always blame Jose.
Yeah, it's always Jose's fault anyway. Is there like a pull, like on the compose test rule? I don't think there is. No. What you can do is use activity scenario directly and then set stuff up before you launch the activity. But that would also still run for every single launch, because the activity is killed and recreated every time, right? I don't know. Anyway,
it feels I don't know. It feels like if you are inside the instrumentation thing, you are
I think the
constrained.
easiest thing is just to say, "Hey, look at me! I have a Gradle task and I run ADB commands." And
yeah, that will be probably easy.
Yeah, but
I think it's more
not
like encapsulate.
Yeah, let's not care too much about that for now. It's fine. I think that it's more important to figure out how to pull the the files.
Cool. Let's try to pull the thing. Let's try to understand. I mean, I think the pull part. The pull part sounds like
I'm thinking about pulled pork now.
Yeah, I'm thinking about pulled pork. So the pull part is more like this should be straightforward with the ADB fancy thingy that now we have.
No, again, we cannot use that.
Why?
Because it doesn't work with devices. It only works with stuff you connect to with ADB, TCP, blah blah blah.
No. I mean the ADB, the one that you have now, right? You're using it to set a setting. I think you can run,
yeah, but you cannot
run log. You
cannot run. No, but that's the problem. You're running stuff in the ADB shell. Pull is not a thing in the ADB shell. It's an ADB command.
No?
No, okay, it's not ADB shell pull. It's ADB pull.
Fair enough.
So it won't work. Okay. So that's why you need to see if there's a way that we can maybe do that.
So you are saying we need a way to push the file to the computer from the device. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, to pull a file from the device.
I think okay. I have a bad
feeling it's not easy.
Yeah. It's more like, I feel it's definitely more doable to have an ADB pull command run with a Gradle task after this.
Yeah, but at the same time, you want to fail the test case. You don't want to fail the Gradle task, right? Because otherwise you lose the reporting.
But then you are also doing the comparison in the instrumentation. That's what you are saying.
Yes.
Because if you
there's no
want to
other
do
way to
everything in the,
fail correctly the test otherwise.
yeah,
Like you can fail something else, but not the actual test. Good luck finding
yeah,
out what
yeah.
failed at that point, because I feel
Well, I
like,
mean, you can definitely percolate or bubble up
yeah,
information
sure, but then you
about what
start
you are
having to
running,
do
but
piping by hand, and it might stop working at some point, and it's still more work than you need to do, both in code and more cognitive overload.
yeah.
Ah,
I don't know, man. Okay, but we are on the phone, right? So why do we need to pull? What are you trying to achieve? So we have the, so you want to pull the golden image?
yeah.
Okay, what if we place the golden image before we run the tests from Gradle, at least?
I'm not sure what you mean.
So we know that we have like, I don't know, 10 images that we want to compare, right? 10 golden images. So before you start the instrumentation suite, you just push the files to the right folder, and then on the phone you generate the new bitmap, and then you can compare them. But at
Yeah,
least
that's
you
the
just push them.
alternative. That's the alternative, but then,
You can imagine it as a setup
yeah.
for the environment.
I mean, at that point, you might just do it in the prepare test storage rule. Just push it from there. Wait, there's someone saying, Afzal saying, can't you use the rule chain and activity scenario rule to execute stuff before the activity is launched? The problem is, once again, that runs before every or after every single test. And it's only stuff that runs on the device. So we still have the problem that we need to push a file or pull a file from the computer. And everything that is running inside of an at test is running on the device.
Yeah.
So that's the issue here. Like if I do runtime dot get runtime dot exec something like adb pull whatever banana.
This is running on the phone, so it's not
This is
gonna
gonna
work,
be
right?
running on the phone, so it's not gonna work. Like it's gonna fail, but probably
How?
not in a
I'm
very
curious.
visible way. But it's gonna fail.
Can you see if we have any log or any? Oh, here you go. No such file or directory.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you're on the
ADB. You can find ADB. Okay. I was like, okay, you cannot, if it cannot run. No, I don't think it's running ADB. It's running total memory.
I mean, I
Let's just,
can totally see how much memory we have. That's gonna tell
yeah,
me
sure.
if it's running on a device or on the like on the emulator or on the computer. Because if it's 64 gig, it's the computer. If it's 2
Really? Oh,
gig,
it's a very
it's
powerful emulator.
yeah, it's the beastie emulator.
The Beastie emulator.
Gradle tasks run on the computer, so can see the device. The under test code is running purely on the device and cannot access the computer. Yeah.
Yep.
I just wanted to avoid having to do that bullshit, but I don't think I can. Like this stuff is gonna see, it's gonna be like, yeah,
2 gigs is running on a phone. Okay.
it's running on the phone as expected.
But it was expected. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay. So,
yeah, maybe the
okay.
only thing we can do is push the images onto the device.
Yeah. Let's try to
Yeah.
push the image.
Yeah, like Ivan was suggesting earlier.
And comparing them on the phone, so they can actually be compared during the test, so we can pinpoint. Whoa, okay. So
That
we
was
can
right.
pinpoint the, yeah, I know, but my brain just like, I lost a step. we can pinpoint the failing test.
Yeah.
So
So
that would work.
I'll push golden images by registering okay, and then we do by registering. Thank you very much. What? Oh yeah, everything is red, right? Named Android test, probably. I want to get that, and I want to do depends on push golden images. Okay, let's try and see how this goes. Also, I want to make this an exec task because I want to execute code. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, but so exec it takes in an args and command, if I'm not mistaken, command line maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let it sync.
Now the following. Okay.
Wait.
It's not exec. Which one is it? Line 183.
Yeah, I think it doesn't like the type here.
Type here. Okay. So
maybe this works.
yeah.
No.
I mean the inline looks better. No. Property delegate must have a get value. Hmm?
So wait. No, okay, this doesn't work.
How do you do?
I get tired and I do this, which should work. Okay.
No type.
It needs
Too many spaces.
This, I think. Probably. I don't even remember how it works anymore. It's this. It works. Oh, it needs the name. Sure. Because the other one didn't need it. Okay, now it's happy.
Nope.
Task with
Android
name not
test not found in
found.
project.
Yeah. Motherfucker. Ciao. And yes, this is how we roll at this point. Still.
Come on.
Verification. Is it connected check maybe? Or yeah, connected check.
Okay. There's a connected Android test if you want to try that one.
Yeah, that's also a possibility. I don't think it makes much difference, but okay, let's try again.
Let's go. I mean, the fact that you can write this stuff, it's incredible for me. I feel so lost when I have to touch the Gradle. No, I'm serious. It's not even the Groovy versus Kotlin. I really don't understand how Gradle works.
Test instrumentation process crash. That's fine.
Wow, that's intense.
Yeah, it's all right.
It's okay. Try again.
Yep. I don't even know where this file would be, but
intro page should look nice. .txt. What?
Yeah,
That's the
probably on the device.
somewhere.
Yeah, definitely on the device, and definitely nothing I care about. Bye.
Ciao.
Oh, fucking hell.
No.
Bum bum. Okay.
Ooh.
When in doubt, just kill the Gradle Demon.
Yep.
That works.
I like the.
But the soundtrack?
Yeah. It's a bit of a crying baby at the moment. I guess it's
All right. Yeah.
it's that time of the afternoon.
It is 6:30.
I mean the baby is like a clockwork kind of Swiss, thingy. I mean every 2 hours, tuck tuck tuck. It just goes from 0 to 100 in like one second. It's just like "Ah!" sleeping and then crying in like 1 second, and then you're like, okay, I think he's hungry.
Maybe.
I mean, life is so simple, right?
Yeah. Come on. Sinky boy.
Sinky, sinky, sinky.
Sinky boy. You can make it. We believe in you. I mean,
Everything is red. I don't know. Wow.
probably because I have Kotlin 1.6.
I don't know, but everything is so weird.
No, it's the bundle one. I don't know. Let's try this again. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, this is the... Oh, that's the bundle one. Let's change the JDK. Well, it did sync, so there's that.
Well,
Just
apparently
open the
we are
bar.
responsible. We are responsible for
Cheers, Mark.
Mark's drinking problem.
Are we though?
Well, I mean, that's how he plays it. So he wants to play it like this. First thing when you have an addiction is just push the responsibility outside,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Those Italians. Glue, 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 glue.
So I am quite sure this is like, I'm just gonna do it for Windows for now, and then we can make it for Mac and Linux by just not putting this. But I'm quite sure it's not gonna work because I don't think I have ADB on the path, but I might have to add it. Args is a list.
Pool.
Plus equals
Pool.
pool.
And then
No?
the path. Which one? No, it's red because everything is red. I think you're right, my friend.
No,
you're
no,
good.
no.
What do you mean?
Like this one, it's just a list. So I think, can I just do
List of? Oh,
can I?
it's a val.
No.
Nope.
There are, whoopsie. Is there a setter here? Yes.
I think this is it, right?
Yeah, I can just do this as well.
Okay.
Pull.
And then you have do you have a path
Yeah.
in your clipboard somewhere?
I had it. There you
Fair
go.
enough. This looks good.
But I think this is the wrong one because
Star?
it should look nice. But yeah, I also want to do star, and I
And
want
then you do
to
dot. Fuck it.
build there.
Dude, you're such a nice person.
And this is oh, we need to do push, not pull.
Pull. No, we are pushing. Okay,
Yeah.
you just need to invert. Okay, so where do we have the so this is the you don't need the let's decide where do we want to do it. Do we want to create a folder?
Yeah, probably. Probably want to do that.
But
let's put it into Kulo for now.
Is it gonna create the folder is not there?
I don't know. Maybe.
Fair enough. Yeah, who does? Okay, so and then.
Well, maybe I can just create the folder.
I think you need to do it on reverse, right? You are pushing the file to the destination.
But also that's not going to be in the build folder anymore. It's going to be project there. And let's create a directory, call it Kulo for now, and create a file actually. Can I save as?
I see what you're doing. Bravo, that's smart.
It's called lazy and smart, which are often the same thing. Okay. And I will try to run just this one task first. Push golden images. All right.
Ouch.
Yes. It's root deer. My bad. Let's see.
Create process 2. The system cannot find the file specified.
Still?
ADBX. Yeah, you need to put it in path or something.
Fuck. Yeah.
It's not filing.
1 second.
Or you can create a symbolic link in your folder and fuck it.
No, well, it's Windows, so I mean you can technically do that, but whatever. Where the fuck is path? There you go. Copy, paste, and do C Android SDK platform tools. Okay, sure. Ship it. Let's try again.
Try again. Looks good. Do we have something on the phone?
Sorry, opening the device manager froze Android Studio.
Yeah. Oh, here you go.
Someone is doing stuff on the main thread. Okay, so let's see if there is Kulo here. It doesn't look like it.
Maybe it doesn't create a folder. Damn it.
Because it does not look like...
Can you check maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the order of the parameters for push is different. I mean...
let's see.
It could be definitely possible.
Well,
help. Push. I don't know.
So push. There is.
Push. That's local to remote. Okay, no, that's the good. So enable compression. No.
I think we might have to do.
Can you do just dot instead of that?
What do you mean dot?
I mean, you're giving a parameter to. So this is running from the root folder, right?
Yes.
Of the project.
Maybe this is the problem. Let me just try this 1 sec. No.
Nope.
Because the thing is, this doesn't give me any fucking feedback.
Can you do instead of file?
I'm gonna run it from here. I'm
dot.
gonna run it from here first. push, and then this is copy absolute path. I mean, this is the same thing. As
That's
the
not the absolute
card.
path, right?
That is the absolute path.
No, I mean, but when you're running it from the Google, the task, the grid of task.
That's the same thing it's doing.
Are you okay? So I'm confused. Anyway,
Root dir is the root dir of the project.
Ah, okay. Sorry, I thought it was like the root in the sense that like
Okay,
the top
so
folder.
this works.
Okay,
so maybe
works.
it's just the task is not configured correctly. I never remember. Gradle exec task adb. Just because I'm lazy.
Mm-hmm.
Command line. Oh, okay, you can just do it like that. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't do args.
Oh, there was something with the Android test orchestrator. Okay.
Command line.
And then there is an
command
array.
line. Command line.
An array or something. It's like a list more. Probably. Okay. Looks good.
Right, I need to delete this first.
Delete. Try again.
Try again. Nope.
Damn it.
Why not? Okay.
Okay.
So
Can
wait. Inputs. This needs to be this as well. Input. No. Inputs.
Can you try with a hard-coded version of the folder, like the path?
Sure.
Like you did it in on the command line, because the command line it worked, right? So you can.
Yep.
I would probably try to run the same command with line 186.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do this and this and this.
Nice.
Command line should also return stream where you can get the output of command line. Yes, that's a good point.
For each print line.
There's actually, I think, a way to redirect the output. Maybe. No.
Nope.
Standard output capture. I'm not sure how this works. I don't remember. Let me see. So Gradle exec redirect output. Let's see if this says anything about standard output is standard out, but that's it's created it. Okay. Gradle exec task. Let's see if we can figure this out. So there's a working there, which is generally the project one, if I'm not mistaken. Standard output. This should print to the console, so I'm not sure why it's not doing things. Whatever. Exec result, execution result. Yeah, defaults to system.out. That should be fine. So it's not outputting anything. And error output defaults to system.err. So that's also not doing anything.
So we ran this thing from command line and it works, but if you run it from the task, it doesn't.
Yeah, which
without even an error or any sort. Can you print YOLO after you run the command?
Let me try to do another thing instead. I mean, it should fail if it doesn't find it.
Yeah, we got an error file not found, so that part.
Yeah, but we're running it on the device. That was a different time, different task, different thing. I'm not sure.
Can you run like a echo command line echo whatever before this command line? You know, just
you can only have one command line per task, so you would have to create a script and then run the script.
Okay, so can you do like before the C, you can do echo something and then you do pipe and then you run two commands one after another, right? I just want to know if we at least we reach the command line.
Yeah, sure.
What? Yeah, that's.
I don't think this is gonna work, but yeah.
I don't know. I mean, it may be, but Atul is suggesting something like output. Or
yes,
some
I've
sort.
seen that. Unfortunately, that doesn't really. A, that's Groovy, it's not Kotlin, so I cannot copy paste it. And B, that's not going to make much difference. So what I can do, instead of doing that, I can do like do last, and I can do standard output dot read is a buffer. I can only write to that. No, I don't think. Yeah, I mean, I can do to string, but this is just going to print the fact that it's a stream. I don't think I can pipe the standard output. Because it's an output stream and you cannot read an output stream. So it's not going to work. What you maybe can do is like run this. Sure. I will have to have a do first, but maybe there's a way to print it then. I don't know. But again, this shouldn't be a problem. Like Gradle should print that shit to the standard out anyway. So what I'm doing instead is commenting this out entirely. And just yeah, it's not printing.
I don't know
anything.
I don't know if you need to do echo as a echo and then another command, you know, because it's a list and probably it's like
let's try that
separated.
But nope,
Fuck
doesn't
me.
make a difference.
I mean, I had, but so this thing is not either is not running or is not printing. That's one of the two. So okay, so how can we see if it's running on your machine without standard input? Can you delete a file that we know that it's there, like in the repo? Can you delete the, I don't know, local properties? Can you delete a file that we can restore from Git just for the sake of, okay, something happened? Can you do rm It's like Dell. Ah, no, fuck, it's Dell because you're on Windows. Wow.
Yep.
Well, let's put something in, something somewhere. Let's, create a fuck file.
This is literally a fuck file.
Yeah, it's a fuck file, and the content is gonna be just fuck file.
Okay, so fuck is there. I run this. Doesn't say shit.
Refresh. It doesn't
No, stop.
also delete the file. So
I do rm. Does that make any difference?
No,
it
so
doesn't.
This is not running.
So okay, we're doing the task wrong. There's no
we know that now it's
no
not
way
running.
around this.
Okay. So this is groovy, so we can't copy paste this, right?
No, we cannot copy paste it. We need to do something else. What we can do is, I mean, I can try and do to string. I doubt it will work, but
I mean,
what do I have to lose?
So it's not running. Yeah. It's not running. The file is there. It's not even crashing or something. It's just not doing anything. What the fuck? Standard.
Yeah, no, it's not doing anything. Why is this not doing anything?
It's not running. It's not running. Could it be that the I mean, I don't know anything about this stuff, so I can't even give you like a. Can you search how to run like a command from Kotlin, Gradle, whatever bullshit?
Give me a second.
Yeah, I know what you want to do, but that's very noble of you. But if it works, I'm gonna just yell at Android Studio. Come on, work, fail, do something. Okay, it's running because it's not finding RM.
Thank you, Android Studio.
Fuck you, Android Studio. Okay, run this thing. It's not running. Run it from console. Yet. No, it's running from console. The file should disappear now. Man, 3 seconds to configure, 4 seconds to configure. Okay, so what? It's failed again? Did it fail? Command Del. Well, I mean, don't run Del. Run something that we know that it's.
I mean, this should work.
Run this one. Fuck it. Run this one.
Let me just double check. We haven't pushed it before by any chance.
Mike, you're not helping, my friend.
God fucking damn it.
A problem occurs starting, but what's the problem? Can you do like a verbose run of this shit to get an idea what's the problem? Info. That's also good. Okay, so what are we doing here?
Caching disabled. Not up to date.
Starting the process. Working directory.
Yes. Command this. This seems legit.
Yeah.
Why does it not like it? Well, I guess I can do working there and just do this here. Well, let me save just in case. Yeah, this is not particularly helpful, but
anything that you can do instead of info debug or whatever.
Yeah, I can do debug, but good luck.
It's gonna just print the shit out of everything.
Yep, it's the entire planet. It's still running.
And it's gonna end up with an error occurred.
Oh yeah, sure. It's not gonna tell me much more, I think.
Jesus, come on, stop printing shit.
That's why I don't run debug.
Yeah, okay, scroll.
Warning. Debug level logging will leak security sensitive. Dude, You have to use machine learning to
Chill,
parse what the fuck
chill,
it's in here.
chill, man, chill. Okay, so failed. That's a lot of useless shit. Da, da, da.
Okay,
All
that's the
project. Blah, blah, blah.
configuration finished. The realize task. This is the configuration. Checking if all dependencies are complete. Dependencies are complete. Blah, blah, blah. Completing build, calculate task graph. Tasks to be executed. Nah, fuck that.
Here you go. Wait, no. Oh, here. Okay, so this is starting the task.
Yeah.
So
Build operation task started.
okay. Execute.
Yeah, it's not saying much more. It's just literally the same.
I mean, what's the failed? Okay. Waiting until process started.
Command adb.exe. I don't know.
Finished.
I don't know. I don't know. Like, this should theoretically work, but it doesn't. Gradle, run, ruin, run,
Yeah, there
adn,
was some
adb. Thank
there
you.
was some Freud there. Can you retrieve a path?
Okay, so this is just that
same thing. That's the same thing.
as before. So there might be this get adb exe. Maybe.
Problem was solved. Okay.
I don't know if that exists still, but I want to try. Aha, it exists.
It is also there.
Aha.
But I like your enthusiasm, but then what?
I mean, I can get a path, at least.
Okay. Wow, I mean, you're like a very simple person, my friend. I love you, but
I can get a path. It's step one of...
Yeah, step one. Getting the executable. Can you even invoke the thing? I mean,
Thank you for the sub. Means a lot
you.
in this time of dire need.
Yeah. Which actually I don't see it in the chat. Whatever.
The bot is probably
Twitch.
sleeping or something.
But this is also Twitch. Twitch is like, you know, they don't have the they don't have the
Technology?
yeah, the technology to do that. I'm pretty sure they don't have the resources to do this. Too much focus on rockets and
Yeah. Okay,
space.
so that actually exists and it's a thing. That's good.
Can we do something with it?
Maybe.
Can you run a command with that? Like invoke something on the ADB executable
I've
right
run
away?
it here, but I forgot that it's useless to run it here, so I'll run it here.
Try again without the debug, please.
Yeah, because it's going to take 5 minutes and it's not going to change much.
Yeah. I want to spend Christmas with my family. Yeah.
Don't we all?
Not waiting for the fucking Gradle to come up with
so
real
this
output.
is working to a point. Wait, is it literally trying to run command? Because that would be stupid. But
no, you don't have command anywhere.
Yeah, it's not a thing. Exec command line.
No.
I need to check the
what is the value on the executable. Yeah, do we have a question?
What is the value? Yeah, but it's fine. It's Like the fact that it's printing that
Java-like.
to the terminal. So
It
it's
works.
setting the working dir to the right thing, and it's setting adb.exe because it's still like the working dir is correct and the first one is correct. So it's fine. Like it's printed already here essentially. So it's not a
Can you
problem.
search? Can you search for? Fuck me. Nope.
Whoa, this is hardcore. Just putting shit in the
That's
register.
wow. Wow. From Gradle,
uh,
YOLO. It's pretty sure it's not gonna be cross-platform.
I mean, okay, so exactly.
Any check? Okay, we have an example in the answer. Can you just copy paste it and
Oh,
run
I mean
it?
this one. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, like this is like the hello world of the Gradle tasks that you can build. Thank
Thank
you.
you. But I'm not gonna test. I'm gonna write test. I'm gonna write fuck. All right, I forget.
So this is broken beyond.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, so a problem occur. Okay, can you copy paste the whole command and run it? The example on Stack Overflow. Can you copy paste that?
Where? This one.
This one. Can you copy paste this and do the Gradle? I mean, because now I feel we are fucking chasing ghosts here. Yeah, that's fuck. Okay, so it's more in the. Okay, can you do? Okay.
Nope.
No. But
Denied.
what if you don't do the app? Do you need to put the app
Yeah.
before?
I mean, it's in the app, dude.
Okay.
If you didn't find the task, it wouldn't start the task. It wouldn't.
It will make sense. Okay.
It's not the
Okay, but
problem.
you found something. You found something. I'm getting too many. No. You found something like a yeah. You searched for this. Grader refused to start the process. What the fuck is wrong with you? It's pretty much clear. The task you defined.
Set the working directory to blah blah blah. This value get interpolated into blah blah blah, which doesn't exist. What? Okay, let me try with stack trace, but
Okay. Yeah, Mark is actually asking something legit. Can you run echo whatever on your terminal? Do you?
yeah, it works. It does
Okay.
something. But this is
But does
PowerShell,
it
so
yeah, but does it do something that we expect? So if you do echo fuck, is it gonna print fuck? Just out of curiosity. I mean, consider that you can exit this.
I don't
Like
know how to
Control
do
Z,
it. No,
Control
I've
D,
decided
Control something.
I've decided to give
Ciao.
up.
Echo. Okay, so echo
But
works if you
again,
give it.
that's the PowerShell I want to see in the. But it works, yeah.
Okay, come on, that's okay.
I wanted
So
to double check. Yeah, it's
yeah,
fine.
no, that was a good call. But so what do we have on the?
I was trying to read the stack trace, but
Okay, wait a second. Create a process. System cannot find file specified. Okay, cannot run program echo.
well, fine.
Okay,
But
fuck echo.
this one should work because it's there. Cannot run program
If I cannot,
adb.exe.
is it there? Can you do like another backslash at the end of platform tools? Because now I'm just
This
annoyed
one?
by. Yeah. Can you add a backslash? I mean, this is weird, but
Sure. But I have the sneaking suspicion it's not going to change much.
I don't know. I know, but
If it does, I'm gonna punch my computer really hard. No,
no,
it
no, no.
doesn't. No, I mean, this is just the error message. It doesn't really.
Yeah, sorry. So the system cannot find the file specified, but the file is there. Is it there? Can you do ls of the folder?
Yes.
Damn it. Fuck me. I hate this shit so much.
What's going on? Computer.
I don't know.
Obey.
Computer says no.
Yeah, computer literally
True
says
story.
nope. Sorry, nope.
So anything that we can find on Google about Gradle fucking refusing a window. Can you copy the message that
That's
you
what I
have?
was
Not
doing before. Like, it's literally what I was doing before.
No, the other one, the one that we get from the stack trace, like the cannot find file bullshit.
It's gonna be
Is it
every
like
other person
no,
that
but
has
I
had
mean, is
that
it
problem
super
ever.
generic or do
Yeah.
we have another? Cannot create process error 2. Could it be
Ruby
like
grapefruit. Sure.
the what now?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you pick create process error number 2 something
Yeah,
something?
but then I need to add more stuff because otherwise it's gonna find everything.
Yeah, but wow, Chinese. Run, find, okay. This is a fucking rabbit hole. I feel it.
Yep. So it's the same. It's the same thing.
This is it. This is so much
Don't
shit.
use
Don't
command
use
line,
command
specify the
line. Fuck
executable and
you.
args instead.
Okay. So what do we use?
Using executable instead of command files fails just the same as I would expect.
Okay.
Uh,
You're running on Windows. Okay. Yeah, blah blah blah. Still fails. Did this person survived this thing? Try the Windows approach.
okay. I am gonna do this. If that works, I am gonna punch Gradle in the face.
No. Come on. Scroll. I don't want to believe that. I'm good. Oh. Come on. Don't.
Oh shit, here we go again. Okay, it's a different
What
error at
happened?
least.
It's a different error.
Null pointer.
Null pointer exception. I don't know if it's a better error. Wait,
No error message. But
where?
I don't know.
And what the fuck is this thing? Gradle? 190.
Yeah, sure, it doesn't exist. That's fine.
Yeah, ciao.
Also, it's in the wrong file. But I think is 190 is this one. This one is the one that is failing.
Delete that. Try again. I mean, fuck you.
Sorry, everything is fine.
But no, it's not fine. What the fuck is this shit?
It's working.
I know that it's working, but oh my god, this is so bad. But can you check if it? Fuck you. I hate this shit. Can you show me the conversation on Gradle that you were like showing? I mean, this person survived. What's at the bottom of the thing? Did they manage? Because now I'm curious.
I want to know how it ends.
Yeah, I want to know if they get married at the end. They just give up. They just ran.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, ciao. They never came back. Okay.
Fuck it.
Wow.
I don't care. It's fine.
Mark, you're not. So, okay, Mark, this is the thing. Either I can tell you,
to
thank
fuck
you
off.
for checking the cross. No. Thank you for checking the cross-platform compatibility of our solution, or I can tell you, just fuck you. So you can pick the one that you prefer. I'm gonna just leave it both of them on the table at the moment. This is so Damn it. Oh, fuck me. I mean, I can't even be mad because, it works, but I can really be frustrated of the impossible. Where is the documentation for this stuff? Why nobody's running Windows with this shit? How is it impossible? This is how Apple makes money. This is literally how Apple makes money. Out of frustration, people just buy computers that are worth a car.
Small car, but still.
A small car, used car, but you can actually.
Yeah, so
Exactly.
still doesn't work from
Works.
Android
Okay.
Studio, but it works from the command line.
So we are gonna run it on Test Lab, so that works.
And we're gonna run it in
Test
our
Lab,
fucking faces.
Up culo. Just so okay. So this thing works.
Somehow.
I disagree, but it works. Okay, so let's make it multi-platform for the sake of being nice people. Can you check if you're like on Windows? What are you checking?
I don't know. I'm totally YOLOing it.
Oh, check if there is a C column path or something. If there is a win32.dll file. Oh, come on.
I mean, there's definitely a better way, but
yeah, I'm happy. I'm
like
happy that this thing works.
os.name, os.name.
No, there is a dot family. Yeah. There is OS is
No,
family.
it's Apache whatever fucking.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, it's and stuff. Sure.
Oof.
It's just too hard, isn't it?
Yeah. No, it could be ambiguous.
And this, my boy, is how you do ADP. No, how you do. Ah, fucking fuck.
I mean, this is so bad. I mean, this is how. Yeah, but this is why people, runs JavaScript with Node.js, because this is why we can't have nice.
I mean, you would
things.
probably
What the
find
fuck?
something else broken because, trust me, it's not any better. But any system that is complicated enough will fall over in the weirdest fucking weird shit. So
Yeah, but this is so bad. Okay, so now we have a file.
yeah, I'm gonna try and again kill the demons, restart Android Studio, and see if it
run
runs
from Android Studio.
because I don't understand why it doesn't run from within Studio. It just makes no sense.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's that's. I don't know. I don't know why we keep doing
Studio
this.
is not starting up.
Oh, damn it.
No, it's not starting up.
Cool.
This is fine.
Are you using JetBrain Toolbox, Sebastian?
Yep. I am, and I'm checking.
Yeah, maybe you should deep clean it, as Mark is suggesting.
I don't think that's enough. I am afraid it's not enough.
This is so weird.
I need to check the VM options to see if there's anything weird.
Serio. Seriously, just nuke it from the orbit, right? This is the only way to be sure.
Yep. Do you want to run the giveaways in the meantime while I try to fix it?
I just placed it in the chat once again. So if you are watching the live and you want to get some sticker, you can type bruschetta in the chat and you will get a handful of pizza stickers. If you are a subscriber, you also get the holo sticker, and we also have a bunch of other stickers that JetBrains very kindly send us. And with JetBrains, I mean Sebastiano. So,
Hello, that's me.
hello, it's me. It's me. So I'm gonna give you like just a few minutes. So if we manage to start Andre Studio again,
It's fine,
or
don't
we
worry.
we just call it today.
I mean,
Okay, so let's try to run let me run the IntelliJ license one. So let me just give me a second. Blah 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 blah, clicky clicky clicky. Ta-da! I don't have Gradle stickers, but oh my god, that would be.
I don't have Gradle stickers either.
I
I'm
like I
sorry.
like I like I like the attitude. I see what you did there. No, I don't have Gradle stickers. Okay, so pause to check, and also the winner. So the winner is let me check the name. God, where
Someone that
is
is
it?
more lucky than we are.
Yeah, Marco Cattaneo. Perfect. Ciao, Marco. Congratulations for winning the IntelliJ license. I'm gonna just reach out to you on YouTube, and we can arrange the 100% discount code for 1 year of IntelliJ Ultimate. With IntelliJ Ultimate, you can build whatever you want, but Jetpack Compose apps. So that's the that's the worst sales pitch ever. But you get the gist. You can build Compose for desktop, Compose for desk, for web, whatever Java Kotlin project you want, Ktor stuff, and Jetpack Compose. It's coming. So hang in there and enjoy your IntelliJ Ultimate subscription. Congratulations again. So now that we are here, let's also roll the bruschetta one. Anyone wants to put? No. 3, 2, 1, roll. Boom! Atul, congratulations for winning, I guess, again. Let me check. Are you winning all the things like coding pizza? No. Okay. Looks good. Congratulations. I like when it's fair. I like when the odds go in the right direction. Congratulations, Atul. And I'm gonna just reach out to you as well, and adding you as a friend on Twitch is dying. Okay, add as friend, and we are gonna just reach out for getting your address and sending you stickers. Boom, 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 boom. Congratulations and thank you for supporting us. Sebastiano,
I love the
any
sound effects, I have to say.
which one?
Boom, boom,
Ah, the
boom,
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 boom.
boom. Ah, the boom, boom. Come on, give me a break, man. Like Sunday, and it's like 7 in the evening.
Yeah,
Um,
it's late. So
any,
I have to kill the studio
any,
processes. Let me
yeah,
try
anything that we
again. Aha! Fuck you, studio.
is it running? Look at that,
Yes.
Sebastiano. Wow, that's a shots. 10x engineer. You were able to restart Andre Studio. So,
Yeah.
um,
Apparently, even the easy things are difficult on this stream.
I mean, what you know? What this is something that I learned from when I was writing my first book, and the editor kept bashing me about there's no easy or hard thing because I mean easy
Everything
what
is
easy
hard.
Yeah, life in general, but compared to easy or hard, compared to what, right? If you're familiar or you're not familiar with something. um so somehow my message is not going. I don't understand. I mean, anyway, well, we're gonna just reach out, Atul, don't worry. Yeah, also that, Mark, if it was everything was broken, it wouldn't be us. But on the other hand, I mean, this is what we do every day, right? I mean, it never
Yeah.
works. No shit. Nothing is working any time, and it's never working. So what are we doing here, Sebastiano? Where is the SD folder? Is not. This SD folder is
Exactly.
no more. The SD folder is no more. Cool. So did you
That's
pick the
fine.
wrong emulator? I don't know.
Maybe.
Did you broke the emulator? This thing is not running from Android Studio, Sebastian. Just give up.
I know, but I have to try.
Run it from here. Sebastian, plus you need to install the latest PowerShell for new features.
The
and
funny
improvements.
story is that I have installed it, but Android Studio doesn't know that because I haven't told it.
Bam, bam, bam. Come on. So,
Come on.
5 seconds to configure the project. Jesus.
Yeah, it's fine.
Unexpected element.
Yeah, ignore that. It's
Yeah,
fine. It's
it
here.
works.
It works.
Okay. So, what do we want to do?
Delete that. Delete that.
Okay.
And we want
Commit.
to start taking. Well, yeah, probably commit.
Commit.
I think we can delete these things.
Yeah. Well, no, I mean, yes, probably I wouldn't commit them.
Yeah, but we can also delete them. So, what have I changed here? That doesn't matter.
Change.
And that I don't know what this is, but
model,
sure, whatever. You do you.
Whatever.
So this says there's red code, but it's just fuck it. It's not really red. It's just stupid. Okay, let's commit this. Fuck you, Gradle. No. Seriously.
I like you. You're in a mood. I like it.
No, I hate being gaslit by Gradle. This is gaslighting. Yeah. This is pure and simple gaslighting.
This is just bad. I mean, like, things were not hard enough, for fuck's sake.
This is the rule. Like, this is actually a good commit.
No, it's not working from Android Studio, so this is not
to prep storage thingy. Good enough.
Oh, Jesus, sorry.
It's fine. I think we should start wrapping it up.
Yeah,
we're both getting quite tired. And I think we have done something. Like, we figured out a way to push the things.
Yeah, okay. So just to even from have it in okay, just for the oh fuck me, I'm tired. Okay. So
by a vowel.
I mean now I want to spin the wheel. So what we have now is we can take a screenshot on the phone, right?
Yes. And we can push the golden images.
Okay. So
we don't have the golden images. Yes.
Yeah. So the first thing that you will do is probably run the whole suite, pull everything, make them the golden images, and then start the testing cycle, right? So you will start the dancing, push the golden images, take another screenshot, and then compare them.
Yeah. So we need to figure out like a naming scheme. for the golden images, putting things like display resolution, API level, and orientation. But I guess orientation
Fair
is kind
enough.
of implied by the display.
Resolution.
And also, what else do we need to do? We might also want to put some other thing like the device name, because if you run it against physical devices, like you take a screenshot on your emulator, that's fine. You compare it against the image you get on a Samsung device. Good luck with that. It's never going to look the same. So that is also something we need to do. But we'll get to it next Sunday, I guess, at this point.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah, I am beat.
Ciao, Aurelio.
I'm really tired.
Yeah,
So I don't think I have the strength to do much more.
No, we need to wrap up. We need to wrap up. But just to give you to say something, Atul said, in the documentation they talk about command and /c, and I'm pretty sure they do. But fuck me, I mean, how hard can it be to print a meaningful error when you are trying to run something on an operative system that you know for sure that is missing a fucking parameter at the beginning of the command? Okay, so this is right. I mean, you are running this thing on Android, on Windows, just pointing me to the right direction. Okay, you can check, is the first parameter that you want to run CMD? No. This is the stuff that you need to do when you want to build a usable and a healthy API. I'm pretty sure that there is like plenty of documentation everywhere, but I'm running it here. Give me an error. Give me a meaningful error. Like, even if you want to give me one of those passive aggressive thing that we see on Android, have you added the activity to the Android manifest? I mean, have you added the internet permission? That kind of stuff. You shut up. I haven't. So I'm gonna. But give me something meaningful. Is there a command not found? Fuck me. I mean, how? What do you do there? Right? I mean, that's not how it is. Eventually, we made it work, but still, you are not making friends here. You are actually enraging people, and they commit hard. They call names and they commit shit because they are angry. So come on, we can do better.
Yeah, but
Anyway,
our icon is not shouting angry pizza for no reason, I guess.
yeah, but that's I mean, that's so simple, right? Why would you? Well, I mean, you can command CMD, starting process command CMD. Now it's not working anymore. What did you change?
No, it's fine.
Okay. So, I mean, how hard can it be to check if the first command is CMD? You know that you are running this shit on Windows, right?
Yeah.
I mean, how hard? It's like a if else, right?
I still don't
So
understand why this doesn't run in Android Studio. Like, what is Android Studio doing to it for it not to work? Well, it's not that it's not working. It's just not doing anything at all. It's like, fuck this.
Yes. I don't know.
Like, I ran this and it's like, yeah, I'm done. You're not.
Sure.
You haven't. Like, this is the only thing you've managed to do. You made all my build script red. Thank you, Android Studio.
Yeah.
That was very helpful. Yeah. Thank you.
So, Sebastian, I think that we are angry enough, tired enough, and we also achieved something decent. So, thank you. Thank you, Mark. I really need you. Yeah. I really need you in my
was
streams.
Just my asshole perfectionist self that needed to put the outputs there. So this task is now cacheable.
Fantastic, Sebastian.
Because for some reason, if you don't define outputs explicitly as empty, or inputs for that matter, the task is not cacheable. It needs to know that you know that it doesn't have outputs defined.
Yeah.
Or that it has some. But whatever.
So
you on
what do we
Wednesday
have?
and come feel stupid with us.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be gonna be so good. I mean, it's gonna be so good.
Oh,
So if you have any question,
man.
you can add the questions on Slido. We are gonna go through them I mean, from the most popular one, and we work our way down. We already have a couple of topics that we want to go through. Something that we discussed in the previous episode, something that we didn't discuss in the previous episode. So, it's gonna be plenty of stuff to shut up about for me, because I don't know
Yeah.
shit about
Well,
that. We're just
that's
gonna
why
be
we have them,
here.
right?
Yeah, yeah, popcorn, like
Please, nobody ask
really.
questions about Flutter. Please, nobody ask questions about Flutter.
No, come
I don't
on.
want to stay
I'm
all
gonna
day there.
I'm gonna refrain from asking about Flutter.
Good.
I promise that. So I
You're
I want
looking
to keep my
away, and I don't know.
no
I
no
don't
no.
see your
I was
eyes. I don't
looking.
see your eyes.
I
Let me
no
see
no
your
no.
eyes while you
I
say that.
this is I promise
Okay.
I won't put Flutter on the table. I don't care. I want to have fun. I want to have something meaningful for the Android community. Flutter people are off the table this round. Um, yeah, probably Seb is gonna ask all of them. So
We can just put Flutter in the Nightbot forbidden words, and you
yeah,
can get
wow.
banned.
It just
So
all
there's
your
that.
messages are gonna be all your messages are gonna be just killed because you said
Flutter.
Flutter. Um, but yeah, if you have any question, please add it to Slido, or
Obviously,
reach
you
out on
can
Twitter.
also ask them on the day, but it's better if we have
Yes.
them in advance so they can prepare them.
And what else? Congratulations again for the people that won the giveaways. We are gonna reach out to you, so don't sweat it. And everything is free from a giveaway point of view. A giveaway for a
Yep.
reason. If you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, we are almost there to reach one of our milestones. It's at 1,000 subscribers. That's crazy. So if you have any
Yes.
spared Google account, just go there and subscribe with your partner phone, your parents' phones. Now Christmas is
Then create some
approaching.
fake accounts and subscribe with those as well.
No, I don't
Oh, sorry. I thought that was gonna
indulge.
that
No,
was
I
gonna
don't
be the next
indulge
thing.
the fake account thing. So if you have a legit account and people are not subscribed, go there and subscribe. And for yeah, what else? I mean, we are pretty done. Pretty sure that we are. I'm sure the Spike subscriber. Yeah, the Spike. He left like 1 hour ago.
It's
Whatever. I
gone. It
mean,
was like, yeah, fuck
he's
this
gone.
shit. They cannot get
So
anything to work today. It's one of
yeah,
those
this is.
streams. Fuck this.
I mean, one of those days. I mean, the couch. The couch. Not even the couch was able to keep it on the street. And what else? Yeah, no
Nothing. We're
special
done.
announcements. Yeah.
I'm hungry. Bye.
Oh, ciao.
Oh,
Oh,
hi,
thank you for
Eyal.
the song.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh,
And
dude.
beautiful
Good
people,
timing.
enjoy your evening or your
See you
day.
Wednesday.
See you on
Bye
Wednesday.
bye.
Ciao, ciao.